हर मुद्दे पर आपको पर्याप्त समय, पर्याप्त मौका दूंगा। मेरा आपसे आग्रह है, संसद की गरिमा को बनाए रखें। रोज प्ले कार्ड लाना संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है। मैंने आपसे पहले भी आग्रह किया है, आप सब वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं, संसद की गरिमा को बनाए रखें। आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, प्रश्नकाल नहीं चलाना चाहते, गंभीर मुद्दों पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते,
श्री पंकज चौधरी।
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने वर्णित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
सर एसपी सिंह बघेल।
महोदय, मैं आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे संख्या 1 के आगे हिंदी और अंग्रेजी कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखने की आपकी अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
डॉक्टर भगवत करार।
Honorable Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name in the revised list of business for today.
डॉक्टर भारती प्रवीण पवार।
Honorable Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
श्री शांतनु ठाकुर। डॉक्टर महेंद्र भाई मुंजपुरा।
I wish to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Sir, with your kind permission, I wish to lay the copy of each of the following reports, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Energy, as listed against my name in today's revised list of business. Number 1, 36 report of the action taken by the government on the observation recommendations contained in the 20th report of the 17th Lok Sabha of the Committee on the subject of tidal power development in India. Second, 37th report on the action taken by the government on the observation recommendation contained in the 21st report 17th Lok Sabha of the Committee on the subject of the financial constraint in the renewable energy sector. Third, 30th report on the action taken by the government in the observation recommendation contained in the 27th report 17th Lok Sabha of the Committee of the subject evaluation of the wind energy in India.
Of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 22nd report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, 17th Lok Sabha, on India's neighborhood first policy.
Statement of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Textiles and Skill Development, Shri Naresh Bansal.
आपकी अनुमति से मैं अपने विभाग श्रम, वस्त्र और कौशल विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों में अंतर्विष्ट समुक्तियों सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा आगे की गई कार्रवाई को दर्शाने वाले विवरणों की एक-एक प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Sir, with your kind permission, the today's revised list of business at item number 2D, sir, I rise to lay
the Hindi and English version of the report number 66, 67, 68 of the public account. Randeep bhai, please. 68 of the Public Accounts Committee 2023-24 as listed against my name in today's list of business at serial number 2D. सर, मणिपुर के ऊपर चर्चा बहुत जरूरी है और वो होनी चाहिए सर। श्री पंकज चौधरी।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं वित्त मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2023-24 के संबंध में विभागीय संबंधित वित्त संबंधित संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 55वें प्रतिवेदन के अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशें समयुक्तियों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य देता हूँ।
ठाकुर।
Chairman sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name in today's revised list of the business. Thank you, sir.
Honorable members, I have received 51 notices. Honorable members, I have received 51 notices under Rule 267. Before I read out the names, an honorable member yesterday had very rightly pointed out that 267 has to take precedence over 176. A very proper input was rendered by Derek O'Brien. We will abide by that. It's a good, healthy practice. We all are engaged in learning. He made a very good, intelligent point that has been agreed. I am taking 267 earlier to 176. There are 51 notices under Rule 267. Dr. John Britas, to discuss the situation prevailing in Manipur. There are 50 such notices. I am reading out the names. Shri Binoy Vishwam, Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Mallikarjun Khadge, Shri R. Girirajan, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Dr. K. Keshav Rao, Shri K. R. Suresh Reddy, Shri Jairam Ramesh, Ms. Dola Sen, Shri Abdul Wahab, Shri Tiruchi Shiva, Dr. Kani Moji NVN Somu, Shri M. Sanmugam, Srimati Priyanka Chaturvedi, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Shri K.R.N. Rajesh Kumar, Shri B. Partha Sardi Reddy, Shri Sushil Kumar Gupta, Shri Alamaram Karim, Shri Jawahar Sarkar, Shri Imran Pratap Gadi, Shri Anil Prasad Hegde, Shri Sanjay Raut, Shri Sandeep Kumar Pathak, Shri B. Lingaya Yadav, Shri Joginpalli Santosh Kumar, Dr. Ami Yaznik, Shri Raghav Chadda, Shri Shakti Singh Gohil, Shri Jose K. Mani, Dr. L. Hanumanthaiya, Srimati Mahua Maji, Ms. Susmita Sen, Shri Derek O'Brien, Shri Mohammad Nadim Al-Haq, Dr. Shantanu Sen, Shri Saket Gokhale, Shri Rajiv Shukla, Srimati Shanta Chetri, Shri Sandosh Kumar P, Shri Javed Ali Khan, Srimati Vandana Chauhan, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, Shri Neeraj Dangi, Shri J.B. Matheri Sam, Shri Sayyid, Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Shri P. Wilson, Shri V. Shiv Sadhan. We have another notice, honorable members, from Shri Abdul Wahab to discuss issues related to Gyan Vapi Mosque. Honorable members have demanded, by way of 267 notices, discussion on the ongoing situation of violence and unrest in Manipur. Shri Abdul Wahab has also requested to discuss issues related to Gyan Vapi Mosque. Honorable members in this regard would recollect, on 20th of July 2023, I had already given a ruling that the notices for short duration discussion received regarding violence in Manipur are admitted, and the leader of the House, Shri Piyush Goyal, had agreed for discussion on this issue. Since discussion on this issue has already been agreed by the government, I am unable to accede to the request. The other notice of Shri Abdul Wahab is not in order, as it fails to fulfill the requirements of the rule, and hence the same cannot be entertained. Honorable